Hi, I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Allett Kensington electric mower for use. When you've unpacked the box you should have the following items. The grass box, complete with the compactor plate. The grass box cradle. The optional wheel kit. The instruction book, complete with your warranty card, some cable clips and an Allen key. And the quick start guide, which is printed on a waterproof and tear-proof paper, which also gives you some useful hints and tips on how to get the best out of your mower. The first job to do to set the mower up for use is to set up the handlebars. To do this, we simply twist the handlebars round into position and tighten up the black plastic wing nut on the side here. To alter the height of the handlebars, there's an extra hole here. Simply remove this pin and fit into the different hole. Tighten up the wing nut like so. On the side of the handlebars here we also have the cable tidy, so you can wrap up the cable neatly when it's not in use. Firstly we need to fit the plastic clips, which we fit here. And here, and then clip in the cable like so. Next job is to fit the grass box cradle. To do this, we have to locate the pins here and here into the machine here. Simply squeeze together slightly and insert into the two holes like so. And that should lift up and down freely. The next job will be to fit the grass box itself, but before we do that we need to fit the compactor plate. The Allett Kensington electric mowers come complete with the grass box compactor. This allows you to greatly increase the capacity of the grass box. In the kit you will find 2 screws, 2 nuts, 2 black plastic spacers and 2 black plastic top hat bushes and a drawstring. In the back of the box there are 2 moulded holes. These will need to be either pushed out with a screwdriver or blunt instrument or drilled out with a 5.5mm drill. When you've opened those out, fit in the 2 screws from the outside of the box. And fit to those the plain spacers. Next, fit the compactor plate onto the 2 screws like so. Next, fit the black plastic top hat bush with the narrow side first onto the screw. Then fit the nylock nut and tighten this up using a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm spanner or a pair of pliers. Lastly, we need to fit the grass box compactor cord, which simply fits through these 2 holes here and here. Then down through the compactor plate holes here and here, tie a small knot in each end, and the compactor operates like so, just to compact the grass and increase the capacity of the grass box, and the grass box is then ready to use. Finally, lower the grass box cradle and just fit the grass box into. Before we start to mow, we need to set the height of cut. To do this, turn the dial on the side of the machine like so, to raise and lower the front roller. There are 5 settings on the dial, numbered 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. There's also an S, which is for the optional scarifying cartridge. Remember, only ever cut a maximum of 1/3 off the height of the grass at any one time. Taking more than this may damage the plant. Having set the height of cut, we're now ready to start mowing. Uncoil the electric cable and plug into a suitable power source. Although our mowers are all double insulated for safety, it's always good practice to also use a circuit breaker. Always work away from the power source when mowing to operate the mower, it's advisable to start on a low speed by turning the dial down to number 1. To start the cylinder, press the safety button and squeeze the trigger. The cylinder will now be running. The Kensington is a self-propelled mower. To drive the mower forward, simply squeeze the lower lever like so. If you wish to mow at a greater speed, turn the dial here until you reach the desired forward speed. If you wish to mow around obstacles, you can release the lower lever, allowing the mower to be pushed manually. To stop the mower safely, simply let go of all levers.